Yeah, Ma, go ahead.
Well, I didn't finish my homework because like I had a little left. I completed like today or tomorrow.
Oh, you are okay. But will you submit it? Ma, please do the homework. Otherwise, classes will start becoming unproductive. That's why I keep on pressing on homework.
Yeah, I almost finished it.
Yeah, sure.
Brandy,
Yeah,
can
Ma.
we for the homework, can we go over 19?
Yeah, Ma. Give me
Okay.
1 minute.
Miss
I
Priya.
just want to make sure. Oh, yeah, Ma.
So for the homework, I printed it out, so it was like too many pictures to submit to Google Classroom. So is that okay?
Absolutely okay, but there is an alternative way.
Okay.
Shall I show you?
Mhm.
Okay, give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Can we go to your homework? You have to go, give me a minute, okay? Whatsoever. Give me a minute. What's going on? Something is going on. Hold on. Okay. Let's go to yours. I really want to ask the usual question. Subi, Ashita, what are you discussing in school?
Oh, we just started polynomials.
Mm-hmm.
We started exponential functions.
You started it. Who started, ma?
Me.
How is it? Easy?
Yeah.
Ashita, sorry, Ashita. What was that? You did what? Polynomials, huh?
Yes.
Wait, Miss Priya.
Oh, what? Okay, one. Yeah, go ahead, guys. Go ahead, ma.
We're doing something different. Like wait, come to.
What is it, ma, Dhruv?
We're doing like factoring and everything.
Yeah, that is on polynomials, right?
No, it's like, I mean, yeah, kind of, but like we're factoring polynomials. That's a different unit for us.
Oh my goodness. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute, guys. I want to get something, please.
All right.
Anya, I want to hear from you, Anya. Would you mind telling me? Akshada as well, please.
We're doing exponential functions.
Okay. Ashrita, can you let me know if you have solved equations by equating exponents, solving equations by using exponents?
Not yet.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Ashrita, I really don't want to skip like that, Ashrita. I would want to complete this and then move on. Okay.
Okay.
Because it doesn't make any sense. Otherwise, you guys will just, it'll be hard on you guys. Okay. I really want to go with some order where it's easier for you guys. Hold on. Okay, somebody had questions, right? Sorry, I forgot about it. First, let me deal with that and then move on. Can I share my screen? Somebody has had questions. I just moved on without
Yeah, it was
realizing it. Yeah, go ahead.
It was question 19.
Question 19, Amma. Okay, wait. Okay. A toy company has 6 different heights of its best-selling action figure labeled versions 1 through 6. Each version is modeled from a clay molding of the action figure. Version 1 is 25% taller than the clay molding. The heights of action figure version 2 through 6 are each 25% taller than the previous version of the action figure. This is growth or decay? Advik, this is growth or decay?
Decay.
It's decay. Okay. Is it so? Okay. Let's see. Why do you think so, Advik?
Because it's going 25% taller, which is 0.25 decimal. That's less than 1.
Oh, wow. Okay. How about you, Dhruv? What is your thought process about this?
It's a exponential growth
Why do you think so?
because it's each time it's getting 25% taller.
So if each per time it goes 25% taller means what is your common ratio?
0. No, yeah, no.
See, if it is 0.25, it cannot be growth. Right?
Yeah.
So that's why Advik decided it's a decay.
Like 1.25.
Ah, 1.25.
Because 25.
Ritika, does it make sense?
Do you
Yeah.
just add 1 to whatever percentage is the growth factor?
Okay, well, let's understand this, guys. I really want you guys to understand this. I thought we
so
did discuss this, but it's okay.
I think we
See.
did. So is it B then?
A times 1 plus r power t. Or how did we do? I don't remember. A plus 1 plus r power n. This is what we did, I remember. Growth, decay is 1 minus r power n. See, this is all memorization. Okay, I don't want to believe in this. Okay, what I'm saying is, let's say today a plant is 3 centimeter tall. Next year, this is year 0. Year 1, it doubles. Doubles in the sense it becomes 6 centimeter. Year 2, what happens? Again, it doubles. So look at this, guys. What happens? I know the change is 3 centimeter. It doubles, meaning see, doubling means then the factor, see, the successive, let's write out a table for this one. 0, 1, 2 terms of the sequence, that is x, and the values are 3, 6, 12. It is a growing sequence. Do you see it? What is the common ratio? Successive by the previous. 6 by 3, which is 2, is greater than 1. It's growing, you see? So that's a good way of observing. However, here they've confused you with percentages. Let's say I have $100. Okay. I invest them somewhere. Okay. I make an investment. The next year, it grows by 25%. So what will be the value then? Grows by 25% means what will be the value?
The value would be 100 plus 25% of 100.
Exactly. You will end up finding 125 by 100, 125% of that 100. You know why? Because 100% of 100, that is your initial investment, and 25% grew. You see? So this becomes 125% of 100. What is 125% of 100? 125 by 100, right? So
Yeah.
that is your common ratio. So here what happens? This will be 5 by 4, which is greater than 1, is growth. Advik, is it making sense?
Yeah.
Okay, suppose, let's say the same investment declines. Same investment, instead of growing, it declines. It declines by 25%. So my 100% of 100 initial investment is there. But then I subtract 25% of that 100. What happens to my money? It becomes 75% of 100. Do you see it? You see it? So now the ratio is only 75%, which is 3 by 4 less than 1. So it's a decay. You got it?
Yeah.
So how will you write the equation here? The initial value 100 times 75%. That is your growth factor, right? So it's 3 by 4 power how many number of years? Because every year it keeps declining by 25, 25, 25. Do you get it? 1 minute, guys. Did I do it correctly? No, I didn't do it correctly. So it declines by 25%. So it becomes 75 by 100. Correct. 75 by 100. What is it, ma? Correct. We did it correct. What is it? So every time from the initial value, it becomes 75% of this value. Here, whatever I get, 70% of that value. So it keeps on declining at a drastic rate. That's what it means. Your money is going to go to zero. You're going to become meaning I'm going to become bankrupt. That's what it means. If it goes on decreasing like this. Annam, did you get it?
Yeah, I understand now.
Okay. What are the other questions? Who had questions? Who had questions, guys? Ma, you don't have questions, then you have to rise up and say no questions.
I don't have any questions.
Okay. But the current homework that you all worked on, a very solid homework. But did you all get to do that? I did see that some of you have not turned in. Are you checking the answer, Ashrita? I provided the answers as well, right? Advik?
Yes.
Advik, what is a little tricking me is, how did you do the problem? Growth,
Which
decay
ones?
problem?
The growth decay,
Hmm.
like normally how you showed it to me.
No. See, you thought it was growth, right?
Yeah, no, I thought it was decay at first, but then I looked at the answer choices and then realized it was growth.
Oh, I see. But you need to be able to reproduce it. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay. That part was good. So let's see. 583, 597, I've done. Now let's go ahead. I really want to finish module 13 before we move on to polynomials, okay? Module 13 is not huge. Module 13 is not huge, and I would like to do that. Do regression models as well, exponential regression models. Then go to, oh my God, comparing linear exponential models, then only go to polynomials. Which really makes sense to me. Okay. Okay, let's move on. How about this? Give me 1 minute. How about this? I'll give you a problem like this. Would you be, okay, let me first show you a problem with exponents. 3 times 2 power of x equal to 96. How do we solve this? Any thoughts? It's an equation with exponents. I want to solve for x.
I think we first square root of x or divided by 3.
Divide by 3. Good job. This is module 3. Okay. I'm sorry, 13. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. What happens? 2 power of x will be equal to 32. I always told you, right? If it is a composite number, what will you write it out as?
Prime.
So, yeah, prime power. 2 power of 5. So what is x? You can, if the bases are equal, you can equate the exponents. What is the answer? X equal to 5. Any questions?
No.
99%. What doesn't strike you is to express, you're stuck here. You have to express the composite number as the prime power. That is the catch. Can we try one? Can we try one?
Yeah.
Okay, how about this? This is, we are solving exponential equations algebraically. You know, our intent in module 13 is solving exponential equations. You have to know what we are first understanding. First of all, what we are trying to understand. So we are going to solve exponential equations. Perfect. But then there are 2 methods. One is to solve algebraically. One is to solve graphically. Got it? Any questions still here? So this method of solving is only using algebraic equations. Any questions?
No.
How about this? I want to be able to solve. Let's see. How about this? I don't want to give you a hard one. Let's see this one. Do you want to try? Do you want me to try?
Can we see one more problem? You doing it?
Sure. What do you all think? Anybody, whoever knows, try answering.
Multiply both sides by 5/2.
You multiply both sides by 5/2. I'll go with you, Ashrita. Let's see. What is 125 times 5 is what? 625. But now how do I express?
Would it be 5 to the power of x is equal to 5 to the power of 4?
Good. Sure. 5 to the power of 4 is what? 5, 5, 5, 5. 25 times 25 is 625. Correct. So what is x?
4.
Yeah. Easy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Slowly it's becoming easy. Let's try this one. 2 times 5 by 3 power x equal to 250 by 27. Find out x, guys. Quick, come up. Equality of bases. We are doing equality of bases. We are bringing two bases to be the same on either side. Can you try?
Priya, ma'am, can I get help on this?
Yeah. Help you. Ma'am. I'll just wait for the other answers. I'll definitely help you. That's for the class. Homework, class homework. Hmm. Just we go over it now. Yep. Krishiv, how did you get it? Ashrita, Advik, Pratika, Subhi. Good job. Krishiv, how did you get it? Dhruv, did you get it?
No.
Okay, no problem. You want me to solve it on the board? Can I solve it on the board? Akshada, did you get it?
Could you explain it?
Sure, Amma. See, this is a prime number. This is a prime number. Leave that. Now this extra 2 is here. So what should I do first? Divide by 2. Divide by 2. What happens? 5 by 3 power x will be equal to 250 by 27 times 1 by 2. So this becomes 125. 125 by 27. As I told you, right, whenever you see composite numbers, you should have an urge to change it to prime numbers.
Oh wait,
How do I change this to prime? You got it?
I just realized I did
No
something.
problem.
I would have.
So this becomes 5 power 3. This becomes 3 power 3. Always you get stuck on this. Why? Because composite you need to cut into prime numbers. 5 by 3 power 3 will be equal to, I'm sorry, this is x, right? 3 equal to x. Equality of base. Equality of base property. Make sense? Make sense?
Yes.
We will do more, ma. If you don't get it, doesn't matter, keep asking. 2 by 3 times 3 power of x equal to 18. We'll do more. If you're getting stuck, I'll solve it on the board. Shiv, I did not understand whether you understood or not. The last answer, there was an issue with your answer, right?
Yeah, I understood.
Okay. Guys, if you're not getting it, you have to voice out. The class is effective only if you ask for yourself. I will go over, I'll ask one by one to an extent. But at the end of it, you can make your class productive only if you voice out if you don't understand. Can I move on? Annam, good job. Advait, can I get your answer?
I'm typing it out.
Advait, don't mute yourself when talking. Go ahead.
I'm typing it out.
Sure. Avni got it. Avni didn't get it. Avni, did you get it?
I think I need some more some help with this one.
Sure, ma'am. Let me go ahead, guys. There are some kids. Amma, if you see a composite number, it should urge you to change it into prime power. So what do? It's very hard to change this to a prime power, right, Avni? But there is just this 2 by 3 hanging. How can I take it out?
Multiply by 3 by 2.
Exactly. Multiply by 3 by 2 on both sides. So that is 27. Now you see? You know, Avni?
Yeah.
Yep. Let's try a few more. Ashita, are you getting home?
Yeah, so
Hmm?
I'm doing this one.
Yeah, it's okay to take time actually. Okay, Dhruv, Ashruta, Subi, Anam, that's correct. Advait, can you check, please, Advait? Pratika, correct. Krishu, can you check? Advik, correct. Okay. Okay. Krishu and Advait, can I help you guys? Akshita, did you get? Akshita, don't make me ask, Akshita. Did you send?
I'm still working on it.
Yeah, if you're working on it as well, I need to know. Auntie, give me 2 minutes. Something of that sort, right? You cannot keep quiet at all. Advait and Krishiv, that's incorrect. Can I help you, Akshata? Can I please help you, or you are all by
Yeah, you
yourself?
can you
Sure. Yeah, ma. See, you have to remove this. How to remove this, Akshata? How to remove that,
times
please?
2 by 3?
I know my mistake. I times it by 3 by 2 instead of 2 by 3.
Okay, that happens. It's okay. 4 by 3 power x equal to 16 by 9. See, it's coming out. Do you know now, Akshata, how to do?
Yeah.
What to do? This is 4 power 2. This is 3 power 2. I can call it as 4 by 3 power 2. So x is what? 2. This is doing algebraically. Okay, how about this? So on the percentage problems, right? I told you, right? If it is going to grow by 25%, your growth rate would be 125 by 100. If it is going to decay, right, by 20%, then your decay rate is what? So your
45.
initial value will be multiplied by 80 by 100 of the original value. Do you get it that nicely?
Wait, can you repeat what you just said?
Seema, if something is going to grow by 25%, okay, then your previous value is always multiplied by 125 by 100. You got it? If it is decaying by 20%, right? The previous value, let's say you invested $100. That $100 keeps on multiplying by 80 by 100. You got it? If it is growing, then it is 125 by 100. Got it?
Okay.
That's what is exponentially growing and exponentially decay. So basically, what I'm coming to say is, if there is exponential growth, I really want to follow whatever is in the book, the format. I don't want to give my own format. I don't have it. Okay, we are not yet there in the book. That's okay. Okay, let's go ahead and solve 1 or 2 more of this. Okay, looks like it can be even more difficult. How about this? I really would like you to solve this, guys. Everybody, if everybody solves this, it's my win. Let's see. Find out X. This time I really want Krishiv and Advait's answer. The final answer, just I need X equal to what number? That's all I need. X equal to what number is what I need.
Randy, are we allowed to use our calculators? Okay.
You don't, no, you can't use calculator. Sorry.
Okay, never mind.
Yeah. This one you can't. But you know what? In Algebra 1 star, most of the teachers let you take the calculator, which is really bad. But don't abuse it, guys. We are all good people. Don't use calculator for solving. Use it for checking if you want to, if you're done. Advait, all that is correct. But what is X? Correct. Ashruta, correct.
It's to the power of x. You want x like individually?
I just want the value of x. You have to equate the bases. What comes in the exponent, you can equate it. You can find it. Advik, correct. Avni, correct. Krishiv, please do it on the board, Krishiv. Pratika, correct. I'm not following, guys. No. Advait, you got it, but I want the value of x. Ashruta, correct. Advik, correct. That's all. Those are the only answers I got.
So I can
I don't
take
understand.
5 by 6 and I can divide it by 75 over 432, right?
Can you wait for 1 minute, Advait? Let me explain.
Yes.
Advik, that's correct. Krishiv, I'm here to see what you're doing. See,
Miss Priya, I'm just confused, like, on the, like, why there's brackets around 1/4.
nothing. They're just splitting those two fractions. That's all. 1 by 4, and the x is being applied only to 5 by 6.
Okay.
Did I clarify your doubt?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Even if you make a mistake, does not matter at all. You're all learning for the first time. So nicely know and then go to the class. That's correct. So what happened? Excuse me. Krishiv, you want me to do it on the board for you quickly? Aha, Krishiv, do you multiply by 1 by 4? You want to take that away, right?
Yeah,
So
you
what
have
do you
to
do?
multiply by
See,
4.
that's the deal I feel for you.
Yeah.
So to multiply by 4, multiply by 4. Is that ringing a bell for others? Advait, you got it correct. But can you please let me know what is the x value?
Yeah, that's. Do I have to take 5 by 6 and divide it by
Okay,
75
Advait,
by.
I'll go ahead. So if you divide by 4, this and this will get cancelled. Please rewrite the equation. 5 by 6 power x will be equal to 75 by 432 times 4. Right? Now divide by 4, divide by 4. What happens? 108, right?
Yes.
That's a little tricky. Really?
Because I multiplied by 75 by 4 and then I just divided it.
That's fine too. That's fine too. So you get 75 by 108. But the problem is this fraction is simplifiable. It cannot be put in powers. So what you can do, it can be divided by 3. 7 plus 5 is 12. That's divisible by 3. 8 plus 1 is 9. It's divisible by 3.
25 by 36.
20?
5 by 36.
5 by 36. You got it. So 5 by 6 power x will be equal to 25 by 36. But my hand is itching to make them prime power because they are composites. 5 power 2 by 6 power 2, which is 5 by 6 power 2. Am I making sense? So what is x value?
Because you just.
Go
So
ahead.
x is equal to 2
Correct.
because. Okay, I
Correct.
get it.
Because both the sides bases are equal. Equality of base property. Can I move on?
Yes.
Okay. How about this? Right, guys? Oh, everywhere I'm seeing common answers. Okay, that's good. That's right. Ashruta, Pratika. Pratika, it looks like you got a hang of it, right?
Yeah.
Pratika, last week's homework, did you have any questions?
No, I don't think so.
Okay. Subi, Pratika, correct. Ashruta, correct. If you're not getting still, you can say doesn't matter. Sometimes you'll get it first time. Sometimes you'll get it. You'll not even get it the fifth time. But it's okay. You can learn. Dhruv, correct. Annam, I want your answer. Akshada, you're
I'm
keeping too quiet.
almost done.
I'm still in the middle of solving the problem.
Okay.
I sent my
Mhm.
answer.
Correct, ma'am. Correct, ma'am. Did I say all names, ma? Annam, Dhruv, Subi, Pratika, Ashruta, Advik. You all got it.
My like entire diaphragm.
Sorry, guys. My video was off. I did not notice. Go ahead.
Remember, I said mine and you never said if it was right or wrong.
Sorry, Advait, you got it right. Akshada, very nice job. Okay, guys, can I move on or some? See, I don't want to pick you out. Hey, why didn't you get? Why didn't you? You can ask. If you didn't get it, you didn't get it. Krishiv, how can I help you, Krishiv? Do you want to do it on the board? You can tell me. I'll do it on the board for you. Come on.
Can you do on the board?
Yeah, I will do it on the board. You tell me how you did.
Okay.
Go ahead, Krishiv. What is the first step you did? I'm more than happy to work. Go ahead.
I divide by 8.
You divided by 8 both sides.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you divide by 8. Okay. What happened? 1 by 2 times 16 by 27. Can you simplify this, Krishiv, right side? Krishiv, can you simplify that?
Yeah, so it's the right side. Yeah, it's
Right side, yeah.
it's 4. No, it's
Mm-hmm.
so it'll be 8 over.
That's all. 8 over 27. Now, my hand is itching to make them into prime numbers. What do I do? What do we do?
So the answer is it's 3, right?
Correct. 2 power of 3 by 3 power of 3, which is 2 by 3 power of 3. We can equate them. X equal to 3. Okay, I think we are good with this, right? Okay. Now I'm going to give you an equation. I'm going to try to understand what you guys understood. What do you think about this equation? There is an equation I wrote on the board. It's an exponential equation. So basically, I want to know what is your understanding about this. Can you create a problem for this? When you are in a position to create a problem, you understood everything of exponential functions. No problem.
So we
Can you
should
try?
create a scenario.
Yeah, create a scenario. See, that's a good way of learning. When you're able to write out a problem on any topic that you learned, then you have understood it. So I'm giving you an equation. Now write out a problem.
I'll try.
Well, I know how to solve the problem, but I don't know how to what scenario do you
Do
use?
I send it in chat?
Illa, why don't we discuss this? It's an interactive class, right? So let's go ahead. Akshada, you want to say something?
Do I send it in the chat?
Illama, you go ahead and shout out.
You could do something like somebody starts with like $1
Good
and
job.
they
Wait. Let's write
Oh.
out the problem. I start with $1. Okay.
they put it in like an investment account and
Okay.
it grows like 1%.
Whoa.
each
They
year.
invested into something. They invested into in an investment in something. Okay. Okay. It grew by
1% each year.
mm-hmm.
And in the equation's like, when is it gonna reach $2?
Very nice. When is that going to reach $2? Who did not get this? So I start with 1%, the y-intercept. A. This is growth, right? Because your ratio is greater than 1. You can split it out as 1 plus your growth rate power x. So 1 plus not 1 means this is 0.01. Expressed as a percentage, 0.01 is just 1 by 100, which is 1%. So the money that they invested grew by 1 percentage. Okay, but the R value is 1.01, which is greater than 1. Now, we are trying to find out the number of years it's going to take for that $1 to become $2. Am I making sense?
Yes.
Okay, so now let's go ahead and try one more. So we'll be good at it, right? Put this. How about this? Who can tell me another scenario?
Do we
You
say
can.
chat?
No, shout out, ma. See, it's okay. Meaning, as long as 5 people understand, I'll wait. Go ahead. So that it's useful for the others who didn't understand as well. Go ahead. Go ahead.
If you like start with like 3 cookies or something, and then
Start with 3 cookies, okay?
you're and you keep baking double the amount of cookies. How
Okay,
many,
so start
how
with 3
many
cookies. You keep baking cookies. You keep baking double. You keep baking double the number of cookies. Cookies each day, let's say. So what are you asking? What question are you asking?
How many number of days will it take to get to 96 cookies?
Yep. How many days will it take to make 96 cookies on a single day? Correct? Make sense? Okay, good. How about this? You can say any scenario, but you have to be careful looking at the, wait, let me see whether there's any complicated one on this. Once you understand the logic on these, then it's that you know it. Still we are in exponential functions, right? That's ridiculous. Okay, let's see. How about this? We are solving different things. Okay, now the population of deer. Population of deer. Oh, okay. You know what? Let me go back, guys. Okay. I asked you to write out a question. You all wrote it down. But how to find out this x? You know how to find out the x. Okay.
Yeah,
I
I
showed
think
you doing, yeah. Divide by 3. Yeah. Divide by, that's algebraically. But how will we do it graphically? You know what? This is a function. This is a function. Y equal to 96 is a function. Y equal to 3 times 2 power of x is a function. Make sense, guys? Wherever they intersect is the value of x. Can I show you how to graph it?
Yeah.
Can I show you? Graphically, I need to show you to graph it, right? It's a part of my work. You see my board? Which one do you want me to use? TA84 or this? Tell me, guys.
we can't see the what.
Oh, you can't see the board?
It's just like one little line across the thing.
Okay, sorry about it. How about this?
It's just your
It's just your like search bar.
Yeah. I did not do anything. Do you want TA84 calculator or what? Which
We
one do you
can't see the
want?
full. We can see part of your screen sharing. We can't see all of it.
Can I check? Wait. You're able to see now?
No, it's just fine.
Oh my gosh. That's no good, guys. Okay. See here.
And now we can see it.
Okay, good. So what were the equations? Do you all remember? I have to write out, right? What was the equation? 96 was equal to 3 times 2 power of x. I said consider both as different functions, right?
Yeah.
So even I don't know how to solve. Let's go ahead and solve. Graphically, right? Let's go ahead and put. Ooh, yeah. So there is a function here, right?
Yeah.
y1 equal to 96. So one function. Second function is 3 times 2 power x. Makes sense? Huh? xy is it not appearing? X, where is x? Where is x? Oh, here. Yeah. So graph. Do you see it? What happened? Only one graph is seen. So what do we do? Guys, these are all how to use calculators. How will you use? What will you do? I have only one graph, meaning go to that. When I go to that, blue is y equal to 96, y1. Red is 3 times 2 power of x. When I go to graph, I see the red. But what graph I did not see? Y equal to 96. It's just a line, right? That line is not seen. So what do I do? So important to know how to use a calculator.
You have to zoom out.
Good. For that,
You
go
have
to
to-
window. You have to see y equal to 96, right? So let's not have y minus value. Y max can be 100 because I need to see 96 honestly. You see? Then graph it. Oh my goodness. See? Do you get it?
Yeah.
Go to trace. Press enter. Press enter. Is it coming? No.
I think you just have to move it.
Just move it. Moving it is hard, right, Amma? Yeah. It's good. We moved it. You see? So what is the answer for x?
5.
5. Did you all get it? Is this easy to graph and understand?
Yes.
You just graph it into 2 equations. If it's not fitting, go to window, adjust the window accordingly. X min is the minimum value of x, maximum value of x. And this is x SCL is what? Is the
Yeah.
interval on the x-axis. Y min is y min, y max is 146, y interval. And then that is enough for that matter. Okay. So you got it?
Mm-hmm.
Go to graph, you get whatever is the intersection. But guys, how do you find, meaning one thing which I did not frankly correctly tell you is how to find intersection value. In TA 84. See, sometimes I forget how many times I do, but I forget. So, see here, if you put it automatically, you get it. This is how you need to be able to do it rather than me doing it for you. See, graph the function. Second trace, calculate, go to 5. So, let me go back. Second trace, go to 5. See, this is how, see, you got it. This is how you get it. If you don't know, you have to be able to Google and make sure you get it. That's why you all have your own calculators. Okay, nobody is going to teach you in the exam. You will have a calculator though, but you should know how to find the intersect. Any questions? So graphically, you understood how to solve it. And algebraically, you solved it. Am I making sense?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay. Now I want to go to the word problem. Solving it graphically is very simple, provided you understand things. Okay. So I want to stop share. I want to share this notes piece. I want to share. Are you able to see?
Yeah.
Are you able to see? Now, dear population. Meaning, see, whatever be your exponential equation, you should be able to solve for me after attending this class and maybe next class. Dear population is 10 to start with. I'll wait, guys. I'm going to wait on this. I'm going to wait on this. I'll give you one more equation problem. And then, yeah, let's see.
For these type of questions, are we allowed to use the calculator, or do we
Oh,
have
absolutely. Absolutely. You cannot solve it without a calculator. But I'm glad you're asking. Mm, actually, see, you can do. Okay, let me show you how to draw a table as well for decay and growth. Okay, if we complete that and if we finish the end behavior with asymptotes, you can do both units. Let's see whether we can do. Go ahead, guys. See, next week, if all goes well, I can do polynomials next week. Let's see.
Miss Priya, I sent you the next assessment plan for school in WhatsApp.
Oh, wow. Okay. Okay. I don't have it open. Let me check. I don't have it open. I'll check right away. I'll check. I just want to know.
Okay, I just wanted to let you know.
Yeah, ma, it is nice. Thank you. Always, ma, it greatly helps. See, at the end of it, I want the class to be productive for you all as well.
Mister, I also have a question. So, when I plugged in the equation into the calculator, like, can we like round up for population?
Yeah, ma, you can. Round to the nearest integer. Sometimes they'll not let you round up. But it's okay to
Oh,
round up.
so we can round up the rate.
Yeah.
Okay.
Miss Priya, so I'm getting a decimal, so I'm gonna round up. Is that fine?
Yeah, ma. Go ahead. Oh, yeah, I got it. I will do it. Okay.
Miss Priya, I actually don't know how to solve for x in the last step.
I'll help you, ma.
Okay.
What did you get? Can anybody, did you? Oh, yeah, many of you got it. Good job, guys.
Wait, Miss Priya, was my answer correct?
1 minute, ma, I'm checking. Yeah. D, right? The population to reach 80, I gave you. So, something feels wrong. Why everybody is getting 53?
On the calculator on 53, it showed 79.940. So I rounded it up to
It
8.
did not reach 80. Did you see that?
No, for me it says it's like 53.0189 something. So I just rounded to 53.
Ah, see, guys, here like the 4th grade questions, right? Where you sometimes round up, sometimes round down. You have to be careful. Okay, let me do this, guys. I feel like I'll do this.
Wait, Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma.
So like I put oh shoot. Wait 1 second. I gotta do something wrong.
So was this the equation you all got?
I put my equations like the I thought
You can share your screen. Anybody can share your screen and do the TI-84. I would encourage that indeed because getting used to the TI-84 calculator is a big deal.
I have my calculator in my hand.
Okay, great. You got it, ma?
Yeah.
Okay. 8 equal to 1.04 power x. Let me see. Mm, where is the calculator? Let me share my desktop itself, guys. Can you tell me what is the problem that we had? D84 is here. Go ahead. Can one of you please tell me?
The equation was 80 equals 10 times 1.04 to the power of x.
80. You can put 8, right, ma?
Yes, 8 equals 1.04 to the power of x.
1.04 power of x. Am I making sense? Yeah.
Yeah.
Graph. Oh my gosh. Okay. So let me go to window. It's horrible, right? So let me go to the equation.
It's
Oh my God. So I
80.
need to, literally, it will be around 80. So y value will go to really like 8. X value
Miss
will go to.
Priya.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wait, never mind.
X value I need at least 80. Let me see. I don't want X-min. I don't want a negative number. It's never going to go there. Okay, this one, I want at least, let's say 80 years. Okay. And then Y min, population is going to reach 80. So Y min is, and then this will be what? Will reach 80, right? So I'll do 90. I got it. Now, second, trace, intersect.
What?
It's
I
not
thought
coming.
the intersect. I thought the intersect.
No problem. It's a first curve. Don't worry about it. Okay. You need to
Oh.
go again. You need to press enter again. Second curve. Yes. See there.
Yeah, 53.
53.01, right?
Which is 53.
See here, but I would round up, right? By 53 year end, it did not reach
I thought it'd be 54.
54 years. I know it might have reached in a month after 53, but in 54 years. You got it?
All right. We
Make
got it.
sense? See, the intersection doesn't come. Please be careful. Again, you need to do enter, enter. Okay, these are things nobody is going to teach. You have to do it and see because you're all in 7th or 8th grade. Okay, now I really want to go ahead. Would you be able to plot a graph? For regression, I don't want to teach today. How about this? Let's do this. Let's do the domain and range. Only one problem, guys.
You taught us a little bit of regression last week.
Oh, regression is not hard, provided you know linear, but I want to do at least a couple of problems next week, then go to polynomials. How about this? Okay, value of an art, okay, increases. This is the last problem we'll do, okay, by 3.5% per year, because I want you to do 2 exercises. 3.5% per year. Okay. In 1990, please, if years are given, you have to start from 0 to. You got it? 90, the art was $20.25. Find its value in 2013. Now tell me, guys, what are we going to do? Anybody, please let it be a discussion problem.
First, we have to form the equation.
Yeah, let's form the equation. Come on.
So that would be
20.25 is parentheses there 1.035.
Wait. What is the first value? 20.25 times 1 plus. This is what? 3.5 by 100 is what?
0.03. No, yeah, 0.035.
Power?
23.
Number of years. Yeah, number of years. So this
23.
is what? Oh,
22.
oh yeah. What is that?
23.
Good job. Now, would you be able to get it, guys?
Yes.
Okay, now tell me what is the domain and range of this? What is the domain and range? Ma, please understand and do. You will find it so good in algebra too. What is the domain and range?
Domain would be all real numbers.
Correct, because this graph is going to 20.5 is y-intercept and it's going to go, it's a growth. So,
Wait, so, oh,
go ahead.
wait.
Go ahead.
The range would be, wouldn't it be like from least to greatest or something?
Yep.
Negative infinity and then x and then that is less. Yeah.
Yeah, don't write all reals. You see, you're out of this. This is a 7th grader work. This is algebra 1 work.
Wait, Priyanti, how can artwork have like negative?
Oh, true. Wow, you have a good catch. Wait. First of all, the year can't be negative.
Yeah.
On the x value, the year can't be negative. So it has to start from here. So I have to write the domain as what? Good catch. Good job. Annam found a very good catch. So what should be the domain, guys? The artwork, meaning time can't be negative, right? So what should be the x value? Minimum x value is?
1990, which is equal to 0.
Ma, minimum x value is 0, right, ma?
Yeah.
0 is less than or equal to. X is less than infinity. What is the range? Good job, Annam. Good catch. Range is what?
It would be 0 is less than or equal to x is less than infinity.
We are talking about the range, Dhruv. Then y
Oh.
should be there.
Oh, my
Go
bad.
ahead.
Would it be 0 is less than equal to y?
See the y
It's-
value. What happens to the y
0
value?
is it y is greater than 0?
Y is greater than 0. Yeah, y is greater than or equal to 0 is good. But here I would say y is greater than or equal to 20.25. You see
Yeah.
what I mean?
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah. But end behavior? As x goes to minus infinity, what happens to y?
Y also goes to infinity.
You know what?
Negative infinity. Sorry, I thought you said infinity.
For this, contextually, it cannot go to negative infinity, correct?
Just say 0.
Yeah. See, contextually, it cannot go. Let's do only the right side. As x goes to infinity, what happens?
Y also goes to infinity.
Yep. That's it. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That's it. Can I stop here and make you request you to do? You can draw your own tables, guys. Whenever they ask you to create a table, put some x values. Find out your y values. You got it?
All right.
Plug in x values, find out y values. That part I did not teach because I know that you guys know. So in the book, I would like you to do from 605 to 605 to, if you want me to reduce, I can reduce the 629. 605 to 629. Any questions?
No.
Okay, guys. If you don't have any questions, we will see you next week.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Yeah, ma. Bye.
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, ma.
Bye.
That is Priya.
Bye, ma. See you next week.
You too.